Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Jem again. I know I just uploaded a video yesterday, but I really had to make this one because I think I know where the number one out of 1500 ElDiablo is. Now, I know everyone, no, not everyone, but a lot of people are like, no, it's in a museum, or usually number one gets auctioned to the highest bidder, whatever, right? But this guy is claiming he has the number one ElDiablo in his dealership. So it started like this. He applied to become a member of the ElDiablo Facebook page, which I'm a member of, but I declined it because I was like, you know, he doesn't have it. And then he reapplied again, and another admin declined it. So I got curious. I messaged him. I'm like, you know what? If it's really, send me photos, please. He did send me photos. Send me a photo of the badge, of the bike. But nowadays anything can be photoshopped, right? So I asked him to send me a video of it. And when I woke up this morning, pretty much he has the video of it, a cold start of the bike, showing the miles. It has 1 mile, I think. So I think it's legit. I'm gonna post the video and photos he sent me. Let me know what you guys think. Photos. What do you think? I think, just me, I think it's legit because he gave me their dealership. It's let me see, Western Reserve, Harley Davidson in Mentor, Ohio. So it's in Western Reserve, Harley Davidson, Ohio. I'm reading this message right now. So yeah, if you're close by, go check it out, see for yourself. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about it. Right, see you on the next video. Bye.